Man, y'all already know what type of day it is. Yes, sir. It's a great day. It's a great day to be different. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to show you guys how to be different. This is a low taper. Low undercut taper. My man's wanting to keep his vertical bars and his C cups. But just like any haircut, what we're going to do, we're going to lay everything down. We're going to brush. Make sure the canvas is nice and neat. We're going to go with the one guard all the way open with the grain. This is going to allow me to lay everything down. Barely taking anything off. He wanted to keep it dark, so it was just enough to clean it up so we can get this fading going. So as you guys saw, it was a little bit lighter in the corners. So I'm just going straight to the detail process. We are detailing immediately. Using nothing but your corners, as you can see right there. We are just gonna attack the dark spots. Since it was lighter in the corner where his vertical bar and his C cup meet, I'm starting to lighten up the dark spots just so it'll make for a smoother, nicer blend. We're going straight in. Easy day. We hit the ball line and we went straight in with no guard all the way open. Feather technique, using nothing but your corners. Attacking up the dark spots. Hit, brush, hit, brush, hit, brush. Very, very important. As you can see, that low taper is basically already in there. But we are going to detail the mess that it is to make sure it looks really, really, really good. Really, really, really good. We're gonna hit him with the claw method behind the ear. It's gonna allow me to get a little bit more precise when it comes to that hair. When it comes to laying the hair down and separating the hair that's in the braids and the hair that we want to cut off. Just a little precision. But we're gonna attack this vertical bar. Excuse me, we're gonna attack the C cup. Make sure it's nice and curved. Yes, sir. Hit it behind the ears. As you can see how much of a difference that C cup, just the C cup and behind the ears has made already on that fade. It didn't take too much. This is a very, very simple cut. We're trying to keep this as simple as possible. We want to simplify everything. And by that, we're going to use the least amount of guards that we have to. We don't want to go any higher than what we don't want to use. We're going to use some hitters. That way when it hits, it melts. We don't want to keep fighting with the hair. Going to the front edge up. One guard all the way open. We're going to lay that down and keep it dark, just like we did on the side taper. And we're going to keep it consistent all the way around. We want it to be the same length, the same color, all the way throughout. This side is the exact same thing as the other. Ball line, and we're going straight into the detail work. This side, his corners where the vertical bar and the C cup meet is a little bit lighter than the other side. He's got a scar right there, but it's not that big of a deal. We're gonna work around it and we're gonna keep it just as consistent as the other side. I'll let you guys have it. We'll be back when it comes to the edge up. All right, we're back for the edge up, man. I'm gonna start right in the middle. We're gonna tap that in right in the middle. We're gonna walk it to the left side. It doesn't matter which side you walk to first. Me, I'll walk you to the left because based off of my station, I'm usually standing on the left side of the client. So that's the side that I go to first. Then we're gonna meet back up in the middle, start tapping our way to the right side, make it nice and even. We're gonna hit that vertical bar. Throw some pencil on it just for some contour. Yes, sir. We're gonna clean it up just a little bit. Then we're gonna go into the enhancements. We are using wet enhancements today. That tune 45. Always sweeping, keeping the nozzle moving at all times. We don't want to hit just one spot the entire time. We want to keep it moving, tapping the trigger. We want to have some type of control. When you're behind the enhancement gun, this is a skill on its own. Applying enhancements is a skill. I know a lot of people don't like enhancements or don't want to work with enhancements, but I feel like a lot of the times it's because they don't know how to apply it properly. So it doesn't come out the way that they like, or the way that they see it on pictures. You know, a lot of people be hesitant to join a side when they're not good at it. I know a lot of people, when I'm playing the video games and I'm getting my butt whooped, I don't want to play no more. That's how I feel with a lot of people with enhancements, but hey, we all got our own opinion. If you do it right, you make them tight, we good to go. But we're gonna hit them with the hot sauce. This allows me to push that pencil over to create that razor blade look, that razor blade effect without having to use a razor. Eliminate any overspray, and we're gonna clean it up with a Q-tip at the end of the day. Same thing over here. Hit them with that hot sauce, clean up any overspray, push that pencil over, give it that razor blade look, make that edge up pop, clean up whatever we don't want, whatever we don't like with a Q-tip. Yes, sir. Here goes the back taper. Not too much different, man. Not much different at all. So same steps as the sides. I'm gonna let you guys have it, and we'll be back for the finished product, man. You guys remember what he came in looking like? Sheesh. Man. You guys remember. But what he come to do? He came to be different. Yes, sir. Not much. Real simple. Low taper fade. Got my boy edge up crispy as hell. He ain't talking to nobody. They ain't gonna wink at me. This is a freaky dark skin, man. Appreciate y'all for staying tuned. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about the cut. Let me know what you think about the wink. Let me know what you think about his braids, man. Appreciate y'all. We out of here. Do whatever you gotta do to keep me on your timeline. We out. Peace.